Okay, so hello, my name is Pranav Pathekar and I'm pursuing computer engineering from Bachelor of Technology, Varda. I'm 2025 graduate and I have joined the QSpiders here in February itself. So here I am doing Python full stack course and I have done Python, SQL and web technologies. All the trainers here are very supportive and the content they taught is really very helpful for cracking the interviews. The scheduling of mocks also plays a vital role in placement because these mocks help in revising the concepts again and again, and the content they provide, the notes they provide are also helpful for tracking the different interviews. And Mac ma'am and Mac ma'am who taught me Python was very helpful and supportive, and Pradeep sir who taught SQL was also very helpful and supportive. So this was my experience regarding QSpiders. And yes, one more thing about JavaScript which Rohit sir has taught, that was also very good and knowledge giving. So that was all about QSpiders. Thank you. Thank you.